What's the fastest animal on Earth? No, it's not the cheetah. It's not even a land animal. Meet the peregrine falcon, the aerial predator that turns the sky into a racetrack. In this video, we're diving deep into the science behind this breathtaking bird, from its blistering speed to its mind-blowing adaptations that make it the ultimate aerial hunter. Strap in, because things are about to get fast, really fast. The peregrine falcon, Falco peregrinus, is a bird of prey found on every continent except Antarctica. Its name, peregrine, means wanderer, and it lives up to it. Some individuals migrate over 15,000 miles a year, but what really sets this bird apart is speed. In a hunting dive, called a stoop, it can reach over 250 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour. That's nearly 4 times faster than a cheetah at full sprint. So, how does the peregrine falcon go that fast without falling apart? Aerodynamic body shape, sleek, pointed wings reduce drag. Stiff feathers, unlike many birds, peregrine feathers don't ruffle easily, keeping airflow smooth. Special nostrils. Inside their nose are bony tubercles that slow down rushing air, similar to jet engines, so they can breathe while diving. Extra strong chest muscles. These power its wing beats and control its deadly stoop. And their nictitating membrane, a transparent third eyelid, acts like built-in goggles, protecting the eyes from wind and debris. Peregrines are raptors, and their prey is usually other birds, pigeons, doves, and even ducks. They don't just chase, they ambush from above. During a stoop, they tuck their wings, dive from great heights, and smash into prey with talons outstretched. The impact alone can kill or stun a bird mid-flight. Their vision is 8 to 10 times better than humans. They can spot prey from over a mile away. Their eyes are so precisely adapted for aerial tracking. They can correct mid-dive in fractions of a second. Peregrine falcons mate for life and often return to the same nesting spots year after year. sometimes on cliff ledges, but increasingly on skyscrapers and towers. Cities offer abundant prey, pigeons, and safe nesting ledges. Urban falcons are thriving. But not long ago, these birds nearly vanished. In the mid-20th century, pesticides like DDT thinned eggshells, leading to population crashes. By the 1970s, peregrines were endangered across much of the world. Thanks to conservation efforts, bans on harmful chemicals, and breeding programs, peregrine falcons made a historic comeback. Today, they're a symbol of successful wildlife recovery. Peregrines can spot prey traveling at 60 miles per hour from over a kilometre away. They flap their wings only occasionally in flight. Gliding saves energy. In cities, they're known to use reflections on glass buildings to spot prey. Some falcons live up to 15 to 20 years in the wild. The peregrine falcon isn't just a marvel of nature. It's a reminder of how science, speed, and conservation can come together in one magnificent package. If you ever see one streaking through the sky, know that you're watching the fastest animal on the planet, doing what it does best. Like, subscribe, and fly with us into more amazing wildlife wonders.